Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. At the end of each calendar year, you'll need to file your W-2 and W-3 forms with the Social Security Administration. You can do this through QuickBooks Desktop Payroll Enhanced. Let's go over how to prepare, print, and e-file your W-2 and W-3 forms. Before you start, you'll need an active QuickBooks Desktop Payroll Enhanced account, your Federal Employer Identification Number or EIN, your W-2 paper. You can either use blank 3-part perforated paper or pre-printed 4-part perforated paper. And for the electronic filing, you'll need your contact phone number and email address. Before filing your W-2 and W-3 forms, you'll need to set up your tax filing method. Go to Employees, select Payroll Tax Forms and W-2s, then select Process Payroll Forms. From the Other Activities list, select Manage Filing Methods. Select Filing Methods, select Federal Form W-2, W-3, then select Edit. Select your filing method, e-file or print and mail. Then select Finish. You don't need to enroll with the Social Security Administration to e-file your W-2 and W-3 forms. You're all set. Now let's go file your W-2s and W-3. To start filing your W-2s, go to Employees. Select Payroll Tax Forms and W-2s. Then select Process Payroll Forms. Select Annual Form W-2, W-3 Wage and Tax Statement Transmittal. Then select Create Form. You can select to file for all employees or only specific employees. Let's select all employees as our example. Under the Select Filing period, it will show the last calendar year. QuickBooks only allows you to file the current tax year W-2 form. If you need to e-file prior forms, go to irs.gov. Select OK. On the Select Employees for W-2, W-3 window, you can choose to review/edit each employee form. This window will show the list of employees' W-2 forms that were reviewed and printed. Now you have the W-2 ready. Select Next to review each part of the W-2 and W-3. Select Check for Errors. If QuickBooks detects any errors, they'll appear in the box above the form. Select the error in the box, and it will take you to the section on the form that needs to be fixed. You'll need to fix all errors before you can e-file. Once the details on the form are complete, select Submit to print or e-file the form. To print and mail the form, select Print. Select the type of paper. Let's select blank perforated paper as an example. Select the item you want to print. Remember that each item has a specific number of copies per page. Follow the on-screen instructions as your guide. Then select Print PDF. This will give you a PDF version of the form. Select the print icon on the PDF toolbar. To electronically file the form, select E-File Federal Forms. Follow the on-screen instructions to submit the form. You can check the filing status in QuickBooks within 24 to 48 hours. Congratulations! You've successfully filed your federal W-2s and W-3s. Nice work!